Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use Asana Workspace RC from here. So this app will actually help you to organize your workflow in a very easy way. Better. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually search for Asana RC from here, and you need to open the website and log in with your Google account or any email you have. After that, from here you can actually add your username, full name or anything, and you can add a picture. You can click on continue. And now you can add your role. You can add anything like freelancer, other if you don't want to say your role. And you can add what you are actually doing, like design or something. What are you using Asana for, like content calendar? You can click on continue. And from here, you can actually add which tools that you are actually using, like Gmail, Drive, Canva, and Notion, Dropbox, stuff like that. And hit on continue. Add your email address. From here, you can add teammates to try Asana together, as see from here. So if you have teammates that you work on a project together, you can add their emails from here so you can actually integrate a workflow together. Hit on continue. And now from here, there's a lot of tools that you can actually use. So from here, there's a lot of things to understand. The first thing is that there's a lot of views from here. You can see your tasks as list, or you can see it as a board. So from here you can actually add a task, you can add the priority, like this is the first thing that you need to do, or something like that. You can add the status, like working on, and you can assign it to a team member. After you do, you can just hit on enter, and now you have this task. Now your team member that is working on this can actually grab it and put it on doing. So now you can understand that the team member is actually doing this task. After he's done, he just can click on the mark task complete as see from here and put the task in here. So this is very easy as a workflow as see from here. From the timeline section, you can see everything that happened and when. Dashboard also can analyze things more, like tasks completed and things like that. There's a calendar so you can know what happened when, and there's the workflow section so you can make things more automated. In the messages section, you can actually add a message for your team member, and in the files section, any files that have added will appear here. So it's very easy. Also, if you go to goals, now you can actually make goals to make for your workflow. So now you can add team goals or your own goals so you can understand what is happening, strategy of your company or of yourself. So it's very easy to integrate. You can just make a goal and add it in the calendar. Also from here you can see all the projects I see, and from here you can see everything about your team. From the reporting you can see all the dashboards, and there's the inbox so you can know if there's any notifications that you've got. So that's it. That's actually how you use Asana. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.